Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy vegetarian pizza from scratch. Feel free to use your favorite toppings or make a vegan version instead. Start by cutting a piece of baking paper the size of your pizza tray. Spread some vegetable oil spray if you're not using non-stick baking paper. For the base, put 180 grams of flour into a large mixing bowl and stir half a teaspoon of dried active bread yeast. Then, add half a teaspoon of salt and mix well. Next, add 40 milliliters of boiling water to approximately 70 milliliters of cold water. Or you can use warm water directly from the tap. You may check the water temperature with the kitchen thermometer, which should be between 48 and 51 degrees Celsius. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the water to the flour and mix well with your fingers open until a soft dough starts to form. At this point, the dough will stick to your hand and to the bowl. To prevent this, rub some flour on your fingers and dust some more as necessary so that the dough doesn't stick so much. Use your knuckles to knead the dough and work by throwing, folding and stretching it repeatedly for about 8 minutes. By this time, your hands should be clean of flour and bits of dough, and the dough should hold together and feel soft and smooth in texture. Shape the dough into a ball, dust it with some flour, and wrap it with a clean, lint-free cotton tablecloth or a large tea towel. Meanwhile, preheat the oven. We can now prepare the tomato sauce. Add to the passata a small crushed garlic clove, a teaspoon of dried herbs, a dash of paprika, and seasoning. Mix everything well and set aside at room temperature. You can also prepare the ingredients for the pizza. Slice a red onion, mushrooms, pepper, and some olives. It's up to you which toppings you prefer to use. After this, roll out the dough. Lightly dust the working surface with flour and knead the dough for a few minutes. With the rolling pin, dusted in flour, start by rolling out the dough, working from the middle outward to flatten it until you have a thin base. Next, lift the dough onto the baking paper and slide the pizza tray underneath it. To make the pizza, spread the tomato sauce over the base with the back of a spoon. Scatter the onion, peppers, mushrooms, olives, and the vegetarian pepperoni. Add seasoning and finish with grated cheese and dried herbs. Bake the pizza for about 8 minutes in the middle of the oven. After this time, remove the tray from the oven, add the mozzarella cheese and some herbs if you wish. Bake for a further 2 or 3 minutes on the top shelf until the mozzarella has melted. Before serving, You can garnish the pizza with rocket leaves or a drizzle of chili oil if you prefer. And that's it for today. You can find the full recipe below. Hope you enjoy, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegetarian and vegan recipes.